So we are taking you along on a ride of the bus. Check our channel for context. This is a building of SBI.
Nariman Point, the last point from where the Marine Drive begins.
So I think you heard.
ये क्या है? ये है
Vashish Das. Never mind.
ये है विधान भवन.
Vidhan Bhavan.
महाराष्ट्र विधान भवन.
Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan.
विधान
Continuing forward. What point? Nariman Point is about to come. It's the
One end of Marine Drive.
it's one end of Marine Drive.
ये लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली थी विधान भवन ना.
I live in Nariman.
So Vidhan Bhavan was the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. Whoa. One thing to keep in mind on top of the in these double-decker buses, even the slightest bump on the road means quite a bit of jiggle up here.
निर्माण भवन.
So this is the Nirman Bhavan.
यहाँ पे CPWD वगैरह का office है.
So that's office for CPWD
as well.
as well. That's a iconic building of Air India that you saw in the distance. You must have seen the symbol.
Beginning of Marine Drive.
And now this is Nariman Point, the beginning of Marine Drive. This is the top deck if you're wondering. And there are stairs at the back. This is another building. Now on Marine Drive there are mostly hotels, some houses and offices. Tree. In Mumbai you also find lots of BMWs and Mercedes and other luxury cars. Just a fun fact to know. This is the Trident Hotel. Trees. There's also lots of greenery. This is the building of Air India. है ना? These are basically offices, but this is quite a known and old building of Mumbai on Marine Drive itself. You can even see the logo of Air India up there. And this is the Marine Drive, specifically the beach. Not exactly the beach, the sea. You can see the sea. That's the sea for you. So again, Hotel Marine Plaza. Many stadiums on this road. You can see the floodlights also. Wait, there are a few floodlights we can see here. The floodlights for one of the stadiums. This is the stadium.
ब्राह्मण स्टेडियम. CCI ब्राह्मण स्टेडियम का इसकी लाइट देखिए.
So that is the CCI Brahmun Stadium. Sea Green Hotel. Sorry. The bus is a recommended experience.
क्लाउड स्प्रे इसके अंदर से बिल्डिंग दिख रही है ऊपर.
Huh?
इसके अंदर से बिल्डिंग दिख रही है ऊपर.
Yeah.
वो
There is a lot of haze in Mumbai due to the bad air quality.
मीन्स ऊपर के फ्लोर्स पे एयर पोल्यूशन कम होता है. टॉप का तो दिख रहा है लेकिन नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा.
You heard him. So this is Marine Drive. we'll skip to something prominent. More floodlights for the stadiums. You can watch this video on 2x and also consider subscribing. Maybe look at our channel to see the other of our videos. So behind this building, the floodlight you see, that's the Wankhede Stadium for international cricket. I mean, one of the things held here, one of the events held here is that cricket. This is a big prominent stadium that in between the buildings you can get glimpses of it. Coming up we have the coastal road which will take you to Bandra Sea Link
In no time.
in almost no time. It goes under the ground
For good
for
about
some
3
time,
kilometers.
for good about 3 kilometers, about 20 meters deep.
And crosses over from Malabar Hills to the other side.
You heard him. So we're here at the coastal road. I'll try to get you a view of the underground way. That's the way to the underground. क्या कहेंगे? Underground road. Coastal road भी तो फिर underground जा रहा है ना वो.
So we are not going on to that road.
So we are not going underground for now. But this is for the underground only. Move. They are blocking the way. So now this is going there.
Chowpatty se.
We are on our way to Chowpatty beach. We walked there from Marine Drive Center around the Marine Drive Center. We walked there to Chowpatty beach. It was a very lovely walk, but Chowpatty beach at evening hours was very, very busy. So you may as well go at some other time. Now that is a hospital. Yeah, that's a hospital. This is a hospital. The road on Marine Drive is really good, so the bus isn't rocking that much. You can also see the local train going from here. Wait, yeah, that's the local train. Mumbai local. Here, a better view. This is the heart of Mumbai. More like arteries and veins of Mumbai. Now this is Bank of India's branch. You can see the BOI up there. And this is Chowpatty beach. It's quite, it's not that busy now, but in the evening hours it's quite busy and also quite littered. The food here is pretty good though if you want some local food. And yeah, you can have a good view too. Hulk. Broken German. अब ये कौन सी बिल्डिंग है? Wilson College. So I believe this is also quite old.
Very old.
Very, very old.
And the stone shoes are still older.
From the formation of the earth. And now I believe we are taking a U-turn. Yes.
To have a good view of Chowpatty.
So now beach view time.
Now this is Chowpatty.
So हम चौपाटी बीच पे आ गए हैं. चपाती बीच. People are playing cricket. They have bought mats. तो आराम से पिकनिक मना रहे हैं. We will also be able to see the foundation stone of Marine Drive. With just a little bit time. Walk from Marine Drive to here is quite good. Towards the sea. You can have the sea view, a gentle sea breeze or a land breeze in whatever time you go. And yeah, lots of shauchalaya or public convenience too. And this is the food part. And a few hotels, and that's the end of Chowpatty Beach. This is the foundation stone of Marine Drive. Swimming pool, swim in bar. Mumbai is also known for Kali Pili, Kali
Pili Gadi.
Kali Pili
Taxi.
taxi.
It's a
Along the coast, they have laid some concrete tetrahedrons to stop erosion. They are laying some more right now. And a nice sea view.
See in the basking in the afternoon
Sun. So lots of people are walking right now too, and the rush is going to increase only. Only increase as the sunset comes closer. This is again the underground coastal road. The barricades have ended. Now you can have a good look at the shimmering sea in the basking sun. Basking in the afternoon sun.
second Marine Drive.
Marine Drive. Oh. As I said, the bus rocks when you hit even a small hole, pothole, ghatta. So the public is already gathering, even though it's just 4 o'clock right now. More sea. See the sea. And you can see some buildings over there in through the deep haze. That is which area is that? Malabar Hills. So you might have a chance of seeing Malabar Hills through the haze. I don't think you can make out very well. I'll try to film it anyways. You can probably make out some. Mumbai has a bad case of haze even now. These buses are pretty comfortable, not that pretty clean too. Slightly on the expensive side, with each ticket costing 150 rupees per person for 1 hour. But it takes you through most of the main attractions of Mumbai too. Leaving Marine Drive, we have come in. This is the stadium.
देखो अगर भीड़ नहीं है तो अंदर जाके घूमते
What was the name of the stadium again?
हैं।
Wankhede.
ओ देखो देखो देखो
This is quite a popular ice cream shop here. Where you can see the crowd, and yeah. Tech stores. This is Churchgate local station near Marine Drive. Again, a part of the arteries and veins of Mumbai. That's Regal. No, this is not Regal, is it, Papa? This is a film hall, not Regal. Sorry. This is the again a prominent stadium. They're having a match here. क्या ओवल
ओवल स्टेडियम
ओवल ग्राउंड
इन फ्रंट ऑफ बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट. ये बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट है.
इट्स लोकेटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट.
ये बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट.
ये तो ख़त्म होने वाली. मोर ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स. This is a building of Tata Communications, and what better cherry on top than a mobile tower. And also beside it is a building of BSNL office. We are on the top deck of the bus, as you can see. This is the Paradox Museum, a museum of illusions probably. So this is a Bombay gym. Whoa. Now that we've exited Mall Road, the rocking has got worse. I will try my best to keep the video stable. Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank. Up ahead is CST terminal.
This is the last
Bear
time.
with me here, you'll have to subscribe for a better camera quality. This is pretty good too, but
ये लास्ट टर्मिनल है साउथ बॉम्बे का.
So this is the last terminal of South Bombay. Wait, Church Gate भी तो है.
ये 3 पैरेलल स्टेशन है. ये ईस्टर्न मोस्ट इज CST, ये वाला.
हाँ
बीच वाला इज चर्च गेट.
हाँ.
और चर्च गेट से मुंबई सेंट्रल की एक लोकल ट्रेन जाती है. मुंबई सेंट्रल से यू कैन फर्दर गो अप.
Okay.
तो इट इज CST ऑन द राइट मोस्ट, बीच में चर्च गेट, फिर थोड़ा सा ऊपर ऑन द लेफ्ट मुंबई सेंट्रल.
Okay. That's Mumbai Municipal Corporation's office. This is the kind of view you get when you look down from the second deck. You can get single decker buses, but you know the double decker bus is another experience in itself. Mumbai has banned the open, they have decommissioned the open deck diesel run buses, and now we have closed deck AC electric buses. I find them better because, well, AC. We are in the month of December, almost nearing the New Year. It's I think 27th today, and December is the best month to visit Mumbai because of the weather. It's not too hot, not too cold. क्या? It's 29, so 2 days from the New Year. Not that humid either. So these are the roads of Mumbai. We could call them the streets too. Nothing really big over here, but you might find something relevant here too. Old buildings, more old buildings. We're going towards the floral fountain. देखो, check Wikipedia. The bus is rocking again. A combination of bad roads and double-decker buses. This is the floral fountain. Flora fountain.
But it is a fountain.
It has a rich history. You can check Wikipedia for that. One of the main attractions of Mumbai. BOI, Bank of India. University of Mumbai coming up on right, which is our side. So this is the starting. Excuse the sun. The bus keeps a nice pace, nice slow pace, so that you can see everything. Sometimes it gets fast when there's nothing to see. Jahangir Arts Gallery and National Gallery of Modern Art is also located in this area. Though we couldn't film them just yet. ये क्या है? Army Navy building?
पहले कुछ होगा,
नाम दे रखा है बस.
होटल है,
ओके. रेस्टोरेंट ठीक है, सेम थिंग ऑलमोस्ट. There's the Jahangir Art Gallery. There's a very nice section inside and I recommend you visit it. No tickets.
Or photographs.
And can we take photographs?
वहाँ पे लिखा था नो फोटोग्राफी, बट वो देवर सेइंग इट.
That is Kala Ghoda.
Famous.
It has a rich history. There was once a British governor of Mumbai riding it, but they took him off, and now it's just known as Kala Ghoda. You can learn about all this on a trip to the governor's house, which we went on. A really nice person told us about it. The public relations officer,
PRO to the government.
and it was a very nice visit too. Ended with a tea and biscuits session. He explains a lot of history about Mumbai in a very nice manner. He should have been a history professor instead of a
Entertaining.
PRO.
Entertaining.
For the German learners, there's a Goethe Institute here, but right now it's being renovated and there's something about a museum over here right now. Wait, I'll try to get a there. Wait, yeah, there. Finally.
दरवाजा नाही उतरत
Oh.
उतरत रे.
Finally. Something about Goethe here. This is the Gallery of Modern Art in Mumbai. So we filmed that too.
तुझी जागा उचलून जागा गेले खाली.
And that's the end of the tour. We go down the stairs. Stairs in the bus. This is the lower deck. And yeah, thanks for seeing this bus ride.